mixture of songs tonight, just for the next half an hour, 35, 40 minutes, whatever. So.
She was just 17, you know what I mean, and the way she looks is way beyond compare. So how could I dance with another when I saw her standing there?
Well, he looked at me, and I could see that before too long I'd gone in love with him. They wouldn't dance with another when I saw him standing.
Well, my heart went boom when I crossed that room, and I held her hand in mine. Oh, we danced through the night, and we held each other tight, and before too long I fell in love with him. We're gonna dance with another, 'cause I saw him standing there.
I've got a photo of £600 worth of Estee Lauder products, and the raffle tickets are £5. If you'd like a raffle ticket, please come and see me. I'd be more than welcome to. Sell you a ticket. Thanks, man.
What is it? What is it?
Estee Lauder products, £5 a ticket. £600 worth of Estee Lauder products.
What's that, a rabbit rabbit?
Yeah, up your bum. All the money goes to Stephen.
No mistake, nothing found. It's that time of you again. I can taste the air. Clocks go back, railway track. Something blocks the line ahead. And the train runs late for the first time today. Pebble Beach, underneath, the had just been painted red. Right here. sit on the fence and drink for us. Look up the way they saw him last. Local boy, and I thought I'd be right today. He'll always be 23, yet the train runs on past the place they found his local boy, I thought I'd be right. He's gone away. Okay, for this next one, we're going to hand the reins over to Michaela.
Yeah, I'll have if you want to get one, I'll have a Diet Pepsi. Yeah, that's fine.
I can't handle it, this thing. I get around to it, I ain't ready. There's a little thing called this thing called it cries,
Cry, baby.
in a cradle all night it swings, it dries, shakes all over like a jellyfish, I kinda like it. There's a little thing called it. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She gives me hot and cold fever and leaves me in a cold sweat. I gotta be cool, relax, get here and get on my tracks. Take a backseat, hitchhike. Take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. I gotta be cool, relax, get here and get on my tracks. Take a backseat, hitchhike. Take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. This thing called love. I can't handle it. This thing called love. I can't run through it, I ain't ready.
Crazy little thing called Crazy little thing called Crazy little
do much work from shops themselves. They just tend to refer people to me. Occasionally I do one.
So I would have thought that's like to be a good spin, because obviously a lot of shops can't afford skilled people like that, so they go.
Yeah, they don't want to pay for their staff. So I have other types of staff with them. So
I feel good. I knew that I would now. I feel good. I knew that I would now. So good, so good. I got you. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, so nice. I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can't do no wrong. When I hold you in my arms, my love won't do you no harm. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, so nice. I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can't do no wrong. And when I hold you in my arms, my love won't do you no harm. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, so nice. I got you. I feel good. I knew that I would now. I feel good. I knew that I would. So good, so good. I got you. So good, so good. I got you. So good, so good. I got you.
Thank you.
So they're both young guys, they ought to understand the way the internet works, they just don't. Yeah.
Game. You're better off just taking it and keeping the traditional store there, either going to the store online, or just going to something totally different. You know, like, oh yeah, that way there, there's no necessary risk.
Well,
You know what I mean? They could be called something else.
yeah. So
But it sounds like that's what we need to do.
I did
Playing games.
I did.
Love, love, give me love. Find you diamond ring, my friend, it makes you feel alright. I get you anything, my friend, it makes you feel alright. I don't care too much for money, money can't buy me love. I give you all I got to give if you say you love me too. I may not have a lot to give, but what I got I'll give to you. For I don't care too much for money, money can't buy me love. Give all me love. Everybody tell me so, can't buy me love. No, 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 no. No diamond ring, I'll be satisfied. Tell me that you want them kind of things the money just can't buy. For I don't care too much for money, money can't buy me love. this soul can't buy me love. No, 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 no. They don't need no diamond ring. I'll be satisfied. Tell me that you want them kind of things money just can't buy. For I don't care too much for money. If money can't buy me love, can't buy me love. Love can't buy me love. No.
You can buy your services.
Can't buy love, but you can buy a bloody good time.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm sure
You can probably buy lust and
Lyndon and
services.
Alan will join with me in saying a very big thank you to everyone that came out. So I think it's been a really successful evening, and it's just been nice, you know, to be amongst a room of people and everyone's feeling the same. We all want to see Steve get well as quick and as soon as possible, and I can say that he's just making amazing progress. It's going to be a slow, long journey, but you know, he's got what it takes, and he's always inspired me, and he's still inspiring me. So, yeah. Mom, take this badge from me, 'cause I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Mom, put my guns in the ground, 'cause I can't shoot them anymore. That long black cloud is coming down. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking 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 on heaven's door. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. She stood in the street, smiling from her head to her feet. I said, oh, hey, what is this? Now maybe, baby, maybe she's in need of a kiss. I said, hey, what's your name, baby? Maybe we can see what you say. Now don't you worry or hesitate. Who's the funny lady for funny baby? Alright now, baby, it's alright now. Alright now, baby, it's alright now. Let me tell you, I took her home to my place, watching every move on her face. She said, look, what's your game, baby? Are you trying to put me to shame? I said, slow, don't be so fast. Don't you even love so fast? She said, love, love, how you trying to treat me? Love. over to you.
Go, Michaela.
I got my first real 6-string, bought it at the bargain ground, played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a plan and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Joey got married. Should've known, never get bored. Oh, when I look back now, the song is slipping like forever. Oh, if I had a choice, yeah, I'd always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Ain't no use in complaining when we got a job to do. Spend my evenings down at the drive-in, and I drown out you, yeah, standing on your mother's porch. You told me I should wait forever. Oh, when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Oh yeah. Man, we weren't giving it time. We burned down the breakfast, needed to unwind. I got nothing to last forever, forever, no. And now the times are changing. Look at everything that's come and gone. Sometimes when I play the old 6-string, think about you and the what went wrong. Standing on your mother's porch.
This is not demonstrating these are very, very tight trousers.
Oh, if I had my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Oh yeah, back in the summer of '69. Oh yeah. Me and my baby in '69. Back in the summer of '69.
Okay, there's still enough people in here to be dancing, I reckon. So, how about you get it on the dance floor and shake your thing?
As Robert Cripper said, it's the sound you get when you stand in front of a stack of 100-watt Marshalls, you know?
Mustang Sally, guess you better slow that Mustang down. ride around Sally.
Ride, Sally, ride.
All you wanna do is ride around Sally.
Ride, Sally, ride.
All you wanna do is ride around Sally.
Ride, Sally, ride.
Well, it leaves early morning. Guess you better put your flat feet on the ground. Down on the ground. Bought you a brand new Mustang. It was a 1965. Now you're coming round to see the firewoman. Girl, you won't let me ride Mustang Sally now, baby.
Sally, no baby.
Guess you better